We attached our soul to music because it fiercely screams our deepest secrets. There is beauty in sunrise, but you need sacrifice by being early. Stars are only pieces of shimmering dots in the sky, but not to someone who is foolish and in love. A time will come when your body can't express the intention of your heart. Fall in love while you're still young. The reason why he's not trustworthy is he keeps his exes in cache and never deleted history. Some men stay single because they fear rejection. Never trust your heart, because it's far from your senses, which can hear and see. This is Earl Suwa, and those are my 7 quotes about life and love. Thank you so much for watching my video.